Okay, so we're gonna show you how we load the charcoal. We don't want the coals any higher than these vents right here. So less is definitely more when it comes to loading this. As you can see, if you go around, all of the coals are pretty much level with those vents. And then next we're just gonna light the coals. Carefully, it is windy.
I'm going to kind of show you how to throw on the top here. Pretty much looks like that. Pretty durable thing. Kind of fix it up a little bit. And just like that, this is on top. It's always good to kind of have a clean surface to cook on. So have yourself a nice damp rag. And it seems as though we're gonna have a pretty solid cook today. So.